Hello folks, it's that time of the week again. We're going to be having a recipe. We're going to be having fried chicken and fried tomatoes. It's not exactly the way Dan was hoping. He planned on having the chicken coated in pork rinds, but he said once they got started, the pork rinds, they was stale and it didn't turn out well. So he had to use his normal flour recipe. So here we go. Alrighty, here he is cutting the chicken up into strips. Cut them up however big of pieces you want. Leave them whole, whatever you want to do. Make this yours. Alrighty, here's his egg wash. He's dropping them in there. It's milk, eggs, and pepper. He's going to let those sit in there and soak for 3 hours, he said. Alright, here Carolyn is. She sliced her up some green tomatoes, laying them out on napkins here. Going to let them dry here for a little bit. Around an hour. Just sort of let them dry out just a little bit there. And here in a minute you'll see her sprinkling some salt on them. Now she's putting the salt on there. Careful, Shug, not too much. Okay. She's going to flip them over. I believe she's going to salt them again, folks. She is. Now there Daniel's back there. He's breading his chicken. If you all would like to know the breading that he's using, it's already been in one of the videos before. And he'll leave the link in the description to find it there. It's pretty good breading, folks. Oh, we're double dipping here. We're triple dipping here. Oh my gracious. He's going crazy, folks. I asked him, folks, he said he is cooking this at 375 and approximately 3 minutes. It just depends on the size of the pieces of chicken you're using. He said just make sure it's at least 165 or more. We don't want to get sick. We don't want none of you all to get sick. Come out of there. Oh, gracious. Oh, there. They're getting ready to fix their fried green tomatoes now. Now these fried green maters, folks, you ain't got to worry about letting them sit in the milk mixture there any length of time. You're just getting them in there, getting them wet to where that flour will stick to them. Now these ones here, when you go to cook them, just put them in there for a minute or two, just till they get a golden brown to them. And they're good. You'll be seeing the finished product here in just a minute, folks. Look there. I'm going to tell you now, I'd like to thank y'all for watching us. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It's free. Nope, there was some fried squash too. But you all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the little bell notification. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good day. Bye.